This is how to get a price quote on wackybuttons.com. Click on Prices from our front page. We can click on a product to see a general price chart. The quantities are not locked down to those shown in this price chart. You can order any amount that you would like. This chart also represents single design pricing. You can click on the description to see information on the product. You can use our price and turnaround calculator for a complete price quote. You want to fill out the form to get your price quote. For this example, we're just going to order from one design and one product. We're going to choose 50 quantity. Let's choose round pin back 2 1/4 inch. Now we're just going to type in a zip code. Let's just do 90210 for example, and choose calculate price. So we can see here, design 1 product 2 1/4 inch round pin back buttons, quantity of 50. The price is $30. That's 60 cents per button. So we see the subtotal here, and now we can see the shipping options, which are below. There's guaranteed options as well as estimated options. So the cheaper options don't have an exact date of arrival. The shipping dates apply only if you purchase it today. Let's go back here. Now we will go over multiple design and product price quotes. So we're going to start off with, let's just say 15 for design number 1. Let's choose fridge magnets, square, 1 1/2 inch. If you click add another design, it will copy the values from the previous design. Let's say we want 25 of the light up pin back buttons, and that's only in one size for that. And again, let's just add some more. 40 quantity, and then let's choose bottle opener buttons. If we don't want this entry, we'll just click remove last design and it will go away. Let's say I want to add 20 designs total. We can click here, add more than 10 designs. We already have one, so we want to add 19. Press go, and now we see we have all of these. Let's say we want to change a couple of these, so we'll make this one 5, this one 25, 49 of these. Let's say we want to change this product. I'm just going to click on it and change that to say mirror buttons 3 inch. Let's say one of these, we want it to be clip back buttons 2 1/4 inch. Over here, nothing on back 1 inch. Let's change the quantity, and so on. Let's put in that zip code and click calculate price. So here we can see each item, we can see each design and product that we chose. It'll say the price for that set, and it will show the per button cost. You can see here the subtotal, and then our shipping options based on the zip code. Again, the dates on the guaranteed options apply if you order on the date of the price quote. Also, something I want to mention, if you're interested in a rush delivery service, it could be helpful to know that any guaranteed shipping option, 1, 2, or 3 day, could require a signature upon delivery. So consider that someone may need to sign for the package when selecting that shipping method.